Morning guys, February 20th, 2026. I got a call from a guy, his burner's tripping out. Said I was back over there in 2022, so I mean that's 4 years, 3-4 years ago. So it probably just needs a, a service, nozzle filter, and make sure it's not all full of soot. Get a good oil flow and get it up and running. Check the electrodes and burner head, clean the burner head like I usually do. And let it rip. A lot of times they'll take care of any kind of tripping issues. If it's lack of maintenance, you got to do all that first. Every so often you run into problems with, the tripping's happening from something different, but sometimes it can get, most of the time, 95% of the times, if it hasn't been serviced in all them years, that'll take care of it. Nothing's guaranteed around here but your marriage, right? The only thing guaranteed that's going to last around here is all you happily married guys. Going to be married forever. Yeah, right. Like these guys, they buy these toilets online, right? And they have them delivered to their house. So yeah, the box all looks good. Cardboard box looks good, but then when you open up, the toilet's all cracked on the inside. I say, it's like you're flipping marriage. Look good on the outside, but inside you're all broken up and a flipping mess. Guy laughs at me. Yeah, I guess you're right. I guess you're right about that one. Yeah. Anyway, we'll try to get you some shots over there if I can. Overhead oil line. He says it's 3 years old, this tank. I've been here 4 years ago. Well, we'll see. Yeah. Looks like there might have been air in it, but we have to change the filter anyway. While I'm in here, we're changing it. A little crazy bad, but this guy works. F1. Don't come with a gasket on that one? That's fucking weird. That one didn't have a gasket. I got another gasket out of the truck. Off another unit. That was weird. I didn't come with one. Oh, it's okay. And there's this says these gaskets are usually fine. I'm going to have to pull it on the other end. I have to pull a good vacuum on it to get the air out of it. These aren't bad tanks, these rough tanks. The guy should have used 1.5" supply, 1.5" return. That's what they recommend you use. It keeps the pressure in the tank when it's filling at a minimum. 1.25" is not recommended. off there. Alright, I'm going to change the filter. I'm going to change the nozzle, and then we're going to pull a good oil flow. That'll give me a little room here. I'm sure the filter's going to be nasty. I'm sure this filter's going to be nasty. I'm sure this nozzle's going to be nasty. A little bad, yeah, all that muck there. Ain't good. It's pretty gnarly there, man. All the soot, see all that soot? That alone will throw off the burner. Not burning right. It's a little 75. What are they? They got a .8570 in there. .85. .8560. It's a good size boiler. I'm actually going to throw that in there. 45 is a little better nozzle for that. That type of head, you have to go on a 60 or a 45 degree nozzle, or it's going to be a problem. Alright, I got that in there. Clean the head, new nozzle. Electrodes are fine. Yes. Hard getting it in there. Shouldn't have to make no adjustments on the air band or anything, because it's been running clean. Just gotta bleed the air out of the pump. That, I'm gonna jump it out to do that. I'm gonna jump that out good. I got the power switch off, so we should be able to jump this out. So I can run it good without it tripping. Alright, that's what I like to do. Everybody's different.
burner. So just to run the motor is the orange, and that's white. That's gonna run just the motor. That's what I want. That's what I like to do. This way it don't shut off on me. I need to make some more. The jumper right here goes black, that. And the white to the white. I'll just put a rag in there so it don't rock out. That's what I do, like that, so it don't rock out. And I could just plug it in my light and I'll run the motor. Just the motor so I could bleed it good. That's what I do. Everybody's different. This way it don't shut off on me. Seriously? Just getting on the gear out. We'll run it good till I get all the air out. Comes the air. Good now. That way there, it don't shut off. Okay, set. Should be good now. That way there, it don't shut off. Okay, set. Everybody does things differently. That's the way I like doing it. I got my thing unplugged there. Should fire right up now. Should. See how it fires. It was running when I shut it off, so it should be calling. Should be calling. Yeah, I got zoned. It almost takes 90 seconds. There it goes. Call for heat. nice in there. It's nothing. Not too orange. It's nice and yellowy. That's good. Alright, no filter or tank, no nozzle, little line overhead, zero smoke. It does have a cover that goes on it, but he's leaving it off, so it's a triple pass boiler into a chimney. Valves.